In the last clip we have seen the monohybrid ratio. In this clip we are going to discuss dihybrid ratio or dihybrid cross. The ratio of individuals which is obtained in F2 generation by crossing one homozygous dominant parent with another homozygous recessive parent by considering two specific characters. Here this is important. In monohybrid ratio we have taken only one set of specific character. Here in dihybrid ratio there will be two specific characters, and in F2 generation the result which is obtained, that is called dihybrid ratio. Again I read, the ratio of individuals which is obtained in F2 generation by crossing one homozygous dominant parent with another homozygous recessive parent by considering two specific characters is known as dihybrid ratio, and this cross is called dihybrid cross. Now this experiment example. Mendel has crossed homozygous dominant pea plant producing yellow colored rounded seeds. Yellow color and roundness of the seed, these are the two characters, with homozygous recessive plant producing green colored wrinkled seeds. Green color is one character, recessive character, and wrinkledness of the seed is another recessive character. Mendel has crossed these two plants, dominant, this one yellow colored rounded seeds, and recessive green colored wrinkled seeds. In F1 generation, all the offsprings or all the plants are yellow colored rounded seed producing, while in F2 generation he observed that F2 offsprings show the following combination constitution: 9 yellow colored rounded seeds, 3 green colored rounded seeds, 3 yellow colored wrinkled seeds, and 1 green colored wrinkled seeds. The 9:3:3. This we are going to discuss in the chart later on how it happens. So these 9 yellow colored rounded seeds, all these 3 yellow colored wrinkled seeds, and these 3 green colored rounded seeds, and only 1 green colored wrinkled seeds. So this is about the definition of dihybrid ratio and the example which Mendel has performed. Now how he has performed this experiment. तो ये है एक मेल पेरेंट, एक प्लांट मेल पेरेंट वी कंसिडर्ड इट प्रोड्यूसिंग येलो कलर राउंडेड सीड्स. वन पेरेंट येलो कलर राउंडेड सीड्स. It has 2 alleles of yellow color, capital Y, capital Y, 2 alleles of rounded seeds, capital R, capital R. Another parent is female, we say female parent, and here this is the recessive, produces green colored wrinkled seeds. 2 alleles are for green color and 2 alleles for wrinkledness of the seeds. When we cross these two parents, गमेटोजेनेसिस, what are the gametes of this? इसके gametes अगर हम देखते हैं probable gametes, ये parent के, मेल parent के, dominant parent के, तो ये दो टाइप के gametes बनेंगे, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R. Only 50% this type, 50% this type. In this case also 50% gametes बनेंगे small y, small r, and small y, small r. So when they cross, all the individuals of F1 generation will be of yellow color rounded seed producing, because when this gamete fertilizes with this gamete you get this result: capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y. So since there is a capital Y, means dominant character of yellow color, and capital R means dominant character of roundness of the seeds, that's why all the F1 generation individuals will be capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, that means yellow color round seed producing individuals. Now we see the F2 generation, but before that F2 generation we see gametogenesis of this. What will be the probable gametes? इसके probable gametes क्या बन सकते हैं? तो इसके probable gametes 4 टाइप के बन सकते हैं. इस फिगर में देखिए, दिस 4 टाइप्स ऑफ gametes बन सकते हैं, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. जैसे कौन से 4 टाइप के? दिस कैपिटल Y and capital R, then capital Y, small r, small y, capital R and small y, small r. ये 4 टाइप के gametes बन सकते हैं, which I have written here. Gametes of F1 generation individual: capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R and small y, small r. Now in this figure we see the chart. We arrange the male gametes here and the female gametes here. Here I have written female gametes and male gametes. This is a chart, unit chart of F2 generation. Now we see, when this gamete fertilizes with this, you will get this combination. This gamete fertilizes with this, you get this combination. This gamete fertilizes with this combination, and in this way you go on crossing this. This gamete fertilizes with this with this, you will get this chart. In this chart you will find there will be yellow colored rounded seeds, जिसमें जो भी इसमें कैपिटल Y और कैपिटल R रहेगा, जैसे यहाँ पे है कैपिटल Y कैपिटल R, भले ही एक है, एक तो अलील है ना इसमें, तो दैट्स वाई इट इज ए येलो कलर राउंडेड सीड प्रोड्यूसिंग इंडिविजुअल. तो ऐसे ये 9 बनेंगे, 1 2 3 4, दिस 5 6 7 8 9 individuals will be yellow color round seeds producing. Then यहाँ पर कैपिटल Y है, बट देर इज नो अलील फॉर राउंडनेस, कैपिटल R नहीं है. All both alleles are small r. So this individual will be yellow colored but wrinkled seeds. Yellow color wrinkled seeds. So इस तरह से 3 yellow color wrinkled seeds बनेंगे, this and this. Similarly, green colored rounded seeds. Green color. Why green color? Because both the alleles small y they are for recessive character, so color recessive color आएगा green color. But capital R है यहाँ, तो roundness dominant character आएगा. So green color round seeds. So these individuals will be 3, and finally one individual will be totally pure, that is recessive, like female parent we have seen in the cross. The small y, small r, green wrinkled seeds. So this combination we have seen here: yellow colored rounded seeds, green colored rounded seeds 3, yellow colored wrinkled seeds 3, and green colored wrinkled seeds 1. So this ratio is 9:3:3:1. This is called dihybrid ratio, which is obtained into F2 generation after crossing these 2 homozygous parents, one homozygous dominant parent and another homozygous recessive parent, but considering 2 specific characters. Then from this experiment Mendel has given the law. That law is called law of independent assortment. Assort होना मतलब sorting होना, अलग अलग होना या सेपरेट होना, असॉर्ट. सो बेसिक थीम ऑफ दिस इज इंडिपेंडेंटली असॉर्टेड, मतलब जो जीन्स हैं वो एट द टाइम ऑफ मियोसिस सेपरेटली असॉर्ट होते हैं, अलग अलग होते हैं, छटते हैं, छटनी होना, दैट इज कॉल्ड असॉर्टमेंट. व्हेन ए होमोजाइगस डोमिनेंट पैरेंट इज क्रॉस्ड with the homozygous recessive parent having 2 or more different sets of characters, then the characters present in parents are independently assorted, independently separated. In the F2 generation of springs, This is known as law of independent assortment. So this wording is very important. You have to write exactly like this. When a homozygous dominant parent is crossed with homozygous recessive parent having two or more different sets of characters, then the characters present in parents are independently assorted in F2 generation, जो हमने चार्ट में देखा है 9:3:3:1. This is known as law of independent assortment. He has given explanation. Same explanation. Mendel explained the results by assuming that the yellow and round characters are dominant over green and wrinkled, so that all the F1 offsprings are found to be yellow colored, round seed producing. At the time of gamete formation of F1, 4 types of gametes are formed, which we have seen: capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, capital R, small y, small r. So these are the 4 types of gametes can be probably found in F1 generation individual. So when we cross this F1 generation individuals, in F2 generations, all these 4 characters they are independently assorted. कौन किसके साथ में combination होगा, किसके साथ कौन सा gamete fertilize होगा, that nobody knows. So जो probability है, that is called independently assorted. Since all these 4 characters were assorted out independently, produces 4 types of offsprings in the ratio of 9:3:3:1. So this is all about dihybrid ratio. So we have completed monohybrid as well as dihybrid. Okay, thank you.